Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Durango. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, roof rack, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, cargo net, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. Come take a test drive today.